Hey, it's CreativeSarah here, and today we're going to do a Catch the Wave t-shirt. Now, this is one of our t-shirts that is representing our ChalkCon for 2023. That is our convention for Chalk Couture. I'm super excited to make this and wear it tomorrow for ChalkCon, which is happening during the day, and I am going to make this from my fun summer colors that match the yellow in the shirt there on the sleeves and on the neckline. So, I gotta cut this. So you can cut transfers. Did you guys know that? So I'm just gonna cut that apart so that I can use it on top of the other part and put a little wave in the word wave. So I'm gonna go ahead and ink this with some of our Tide ink, and I'm going to just do the wave, and then I'll take that off and I'll go ahead and ink the rest of it. This is gonna be such a cute shirt. I cannot wait to wear it, and I'm super excited for ChalkCon. If you are thinking about becoming a designer, it is a really, really great time to do it. All you have to do is comment the word team, T-E-A-M, into the comments, and I will send you some information about joining my team as a designer, because it's so fun and you can make some money too. Who doesn't want to make a little bit of money? I know that's exactly why I started this company. When I started, I was just super excited about the 40% instant commission, and I knew that if I just did one little class or one little thing, that I would earn my kit back. Well, a long time ago, I had to pay $99 for my kit. You guys, that similar kit right now is only $59, and you get over $300 in product to start your business. How awesome is that? And maybe you're like, Sarah, I've been a customer for a long time and I do have a lot of products, so I don't think I need a kit. Can I join without buying a kit? Yes, you can. $9.99 will get you your designer access pass. That's all you need to do. Again, all you have to do is type team in the comments, and I'll send you the information right in Messenger. I hope you loved this little project. I hope you are thinking about becoming a designer, because I will be your sponsor. Have an amazing rest of your day, guys, and here's a peek at the cool finished product. Thanks for watching.